Certifying the eUCFR is critical to making sure our soldiers receive their pay and benefits, and it's up to our commanders and HR professionals to make that happen. In this video, you'll walk through the certification process, learn about submitting corrections, break down meal pay interface data, and go over common certification mistakes. The Unit Commander's Finance Report is accessed via URL and requires a CAC certificate to enter. Upon login, you'll see the DoD Notice and Consent, Rules of Behavior, and Compliance page. If your role has been assigned to a packet-in, you'll have the option to select Start eUCFR Review Process. We're going to focus on the Reviewer Delegate process, which has different steps than the certifier. The Reviewer Delegate can submit and apply corrections, such as adding and removing soldiers, provide pay-impacting notes for the AMPO's context, and insert attachments to the certifier for approval. The certifier can return the submission back to the reviewer to correct discrepancies and resubmit for approval. Certifiers and review delegates can submit corrections. Applying key supporting documentation is crucial to getting a correction processed. Add and remove soldier buckets require comments to support the KSD, as well as details of actions to be taken by the AMPO. An eUCFR that has been certified with no corrections will automatically be filed in the Corporate Electronic Data Management System without review from the AMPO. To process actions, the AMPO will accept KSDs generated by IPSE, supporting documents for BAH certification and dependence validation. See the video description for a list of documents. The Commander, Brigade, Battalion, and Reviewer roles see several data columns in eUCFR. Some are the same across all three roles, while others are different. You can explore the definitions via the link in the video description. Let's look at some common errors during certification. BAH is a complicated entitlement. A different zip code than the installation is a telltale sign for an incorrect BAH rate. If the status reflected on the eUCFR doesn't match your knowledge of the member's marital or dependency status, provide supporting documentation to your Servicing Finance Office to update the soldier's record. Now we'll go over a few columns that can sometimes be misinterpreted. The Basic Allowance for Subsistence, or BAS column, shows the amount of BAS the soldier is receiving, as well as the type. STND is BAS paid to all enlisted soldiers, while OFF is BAS paid to all officers. All soldiers are authorized to receive BAS unless they're in basic combat training. If a soldier does not have BAS, meaning if the column is showing $0.00, contact your AMPO. The Meal Deductions column shows the amount of money collected from soldiers residing in the barracks who were provided a meal card. All others will have $0.00 in this column. If you have a soldier in the barracks who is not allowed to mess separately, there should be a collection in this column. Coordinate with your Servicing Finance Office to reconcile and update the soldier's record. The Taxes column tells you if the soldier is consistently paying federal taxes. If you see a no here, and the soldier is not deployed to a tax-exempt zone or is claiming 5 or more tax exemptions, provide supporting documentation to your Servicing Finance Office to update the soldier's record. Finally, note that leave balance has a built-in formula that already factors in use or lost balance to the end of the fiscal year. By following this guidance, you can identify and resolve potential issues with pay, leave, and more, making sure our soldiers can claim their benefits while helping the Army enhance the soldier experience and stay mission and audit ready.